Hello, my name is Egils, I'm dance teacher, and today we continue our video series about variations in standard and Latin dances. You want interesting and attractive dance routines from figures which are described in technique books? Don't miss this video series and enjoy sound technical demonstration by Edgars Linis and Eliza Ancane, our current Latvian champions in standard dances and also former Latvian 10 dance champions in youth group. And let's look at Quickstep routine number 4, progressive chasse, forward walk, zigzag, back lock, outside spin, back lock ending and outside change. So we start with progressive chasse, then forward walk outside partner, zigzag 2 steps with ladies heel turn, then back lock diagonally to wall. Now outside spin under turn, that is without pivot in last step, back lock ending and outside change. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. Man steps, man starts with right foot, back, side, close, side, forward outside partner, forward to side, back in CBMP, back cross in front, back, back and pivot, forward outside partner to side, back cross in front, back, back in CBMP, back and to side in promenade position. Lady steps, lady starts with left foot, forward, side, close, side, back in CBMP, back, close in heel turn, forward outside partner, forward cross behind, forward, forward outside partner, close on toes, forward between man's feet, forward cross behind, forward, forward outside partner, forward to side in promenade position. And now with teaching count. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, slow, quick, quick. And now let's thank my patrons on Patreon. Because of your love and your support, I can continue to produce free dance videos on YouTube and Facebook. Thank you. And I ask also you to consider joining us on Patreon and have early access to all new videos and learn more personally from Egils Smagris. I hope you enjoyed this video, thanks for watching and see you in the next dance videos.